How to enable Gemini AI on Samsung phones. So if you want to enable Gemini AI on Samsung phones, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your Google. So tap and open up your Google application. And under your Google, you need to go for the upper right, which has that profile icon. And once you tap on that, you need to scroll down and tap on settings. Once you tap on settings here, you will have an option of Gemini under your Google Assistant. Tap on Gemini, and before tapping or before switching, what you need to do is you just need to simply toggle off your Google Assistant. So tap on Google Assistant and make sure to toggle that option off. So tap on Hey Google and voice match, and here make sure that it is turned off. Once you turn that off, now you need to go for Gemini option, and you need to toggle on or enable the Gemini AI on your device. So simply tap on switch, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on use Gemini. And once you tap on use Gemini, now you can use your Gemini for your public links or for your languages, your screen content, Gemini or lock screen, Google Assistant features in Gemini, and then digital assistants from Google. So you can simply go with any one of these settings and then you can update your settings. So that's how you can enable your Gemini AI on Samsung phones. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.